cuffin' that hoe, I don't bust it. I smoking that dope, that shit musty. And that Zoe don't trust you, I don't trust it. We get in that lodge on that money. Hello bitches, it's nice to meet you. What you drinking, rim and margarita. Haitian Jew got manners, he cerebral. Pardon me, excuse me. The toolie on my hit legit. And I'm too legit to quit. It's nitty. Solid niggas plead the fifth. Filthy bitches fucking off the rip. She be fucking for my drip. Real niggas gon' tip it. She been sucking for a minute. And she don't even know how to roll. And I don't even know why she smokes. She go up, she go down on that pole. And I think I just blew a whole rack. And I think I just blew out her back. And I think I just made my shit back. And it's FNF Haitian Jew follow. And I'm smoking a lot of gelato. And you run up on me and my Khalil. It go straight through your vest, it's a hollow. Fuck nigga, I'm living my life. You try me and I'm fucking your wife. Pussy good and I'm fucking it twice. And I know that bitch is a eater. And she know that nigga gon' feed her. Bitch nigga, you gon' mistreat her. I'm a sucker fucker, then I feed her. How much money did you make? I just slid her back with it. And I smoked that bitch straight to my face. Ain't gon' lie, I be smoking no switch. And legit gon' here put up your pistol. I be pissing pickle in your sister. No cap, I ain't no cap. You can't with me. Get in that bag. Down, G. Look at that side.